In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the horror effect on CapCut. Let's get started by opening CapCut. You can use either the web editor in your browser or the mobile or desktop app. The layout can look a little different, but the process is the same. Give the interface a second to load so all the tools appear along the bottom or the left, depending on your device. Create a new project and choose the 16:9 canvas. That's the standard widescreen format for most laptops, TVs, and YouTube. Picking your aspect ratio up front helps you frame the shot properly and prevents cropping later. If you already know your footage is landscape, 16:9 is the safe choice and keeps everything consistent as you edit. Now bring in your video. Import the clip from your device and drop it onto the timeline. If you have multiple clips, choose the one with a clear subject in frame. Body effects work best when CapCut can detect a person from the waist up with good contrast against the background. If the footage is very dark already, consider a clip where the subject is slightly brighter, so the effect can track more accurately. Next, open the Effects panel. You'll find it in the toolbar near the timeline. Make sure your playhead is over the part of the clip where you want the effect to begin so your preview updates right away. Effects are layered on top of your video, so you'll see a separate bar appear when you add one. Inside the Effects panel, go to Body Effects. These are designed to lock onto people in the frame and apply stylized looks that follow movement. If CapCut shows a scanning or detection prompt, let it finish. This ensures the effect sticks to your subject. If tracking seems off, try a frame where the face and torso are more visible. Look for the option called Dark. This is the horror-style look that deepens shadows, adds a moody vignette, and draws attention to the subject by dimming the surroundings. Click to apply it and give it a moment to render in the preview. You can usually tweak settings like intensity, range, or feathering to control how dramatic it feels. Dial it back for subtle tension or push it higher for a full horror vibe. Once applied, adjust the effect layer on the timeline. Drag its edges to cover the entire clip or just the moments you want to highlight. Play through to check transitions, and make sure the subject stays detected during movement. And that's it. Open CapCut, create a 16:9 project, add your video, go to Effects, choose Body Effects, select Dark, and apply. You're ready to craft that eerie, cinematic atmosphere in just a few clicks.